Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel. I want to share with you the result of one of my series, which is the first chapter of Mechanics of Materials, which is well crafted in a visualized way in vivid 3D examples in AutoCAD 3D and SolidWorks. You can easily download the entire chapter 1, a free download link in the description of this short video, including a step-by-step problem solving procedure plus interactive link to my YouTube channels to provide the video for each of those examples. The reason I created this a series that is like to illustrate the mm, 2D example in classical way in a very vivid way that we can have like a firm understanding of the free body diagrams, forces, stresses in each members, links, and those kind of uh, component of a mechanical instrument. So, for example, if you have a robotic arm, by developing the forces, or if you have a link, like you can easily see how the link connects to each other and also to the support, how the forces applies, and how you can get the forces and also stresses in members, links, pins, and different part of the problem. So a clear-cut understanding of the free body diagrams helps a lot to get the stresses and forces easily. And also, if you have a robotic arms, the first step is again developing the moment diagram and summation of forces in x or and y directions in terms of having a clear cut free body diagrams at the very beginning of the problem. So as soon as you have them right, the calculation of stresses is like a piece of cake. And also you can see an aircraft tow bar and how you can get the internal forces and stresses in each member for different component of a complicated shape, like here by free body diagram of entire tow bar, and each component you can easily extract the forces, and by dividing them by the cross-sectional area of that member, you can easily get the forces. So starting by summation of moment about a point, and also in this problem, like a example of double shear in pin B, you can easily see if the pin B is in double shear condition, how you can create the moment about the forces about a point, and also developing the moment equation and summation of forces around in x and y directions, and how you can get the forces easily, and then from there you can calculate the stresses in each member and all, including the pins. So as soon as you have them all in a clear cut form, you can move on and calculate the forces, the stresses like tension or compression in each member. So for example, here summation of moment about B goes 0 easily give us the only component, only unknown, which is F sub CD. And as soon as you have that, by dividing that to the area, you can get the forces. And also in the links, as soon as you have the different view like front view, side view, diameter of the bolts, the connection supports, as the condition of the supports, and like flat and the different component like in double shear, single shear. If you have a clear understanding of those connections, it's very easy to move on to calculate if it's in the double shear, is it in a single shear, and then simply calculate forces in members, pins, and different part of the component. Thank you. So I I just provide you with a downloadable free link to the entire chapter 1, and hopefully I'm working around to get the other chapter as well. I will provide you with them soon. Thank you. Have a good day.